Morning, everyone. I wish you a happy, good week. I have been busy for 2 weeks, so I couldn't manage to post any morning updates, but I have updated Discord always. So today I'm gonna make some new morning updates. Let's see the previous day levels as always. I'm gonna mark them up. This is high, this is low. From high to low. This is 0.5 fib from the previous day to see the range. I'm gonna check exo charts for the volume area levels of the previous day. $27.242 previous day volume area low. This is volume area high, and point of control is 27,500. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the channel that we are trending right now. This is like a bull flag, which is pretty good in my opinion. Like, we have been downtrending, but the volume is not so much low, so it's not a bad sign, I guess. This is like a good high volume, so we started to make new high volumes, so this is a good sign. If we manage to break this mid channel, I'm expecting a pump around these 28,800, 29 levels. I'm gonna check the fib. Yeah, this is like a resistance zone which can make a fake out, and then we can dump again. But since this is a bull flag, what I expect more is breaking out, retesting, and going for the new yearly highs. But I'm not pretty sure about it because we are on the mid channel right now. We didn't break out, so we're still on a bearish downtrend. Like, as you can remember from the previous videos, here is one of my best buy zones. You need to look a bit simple to the things sometimes. These are the resistance broken, turned into support. Now we are gonna back test it, in my opinion, and it might be not that easy. It can be a quick, or it could be like giving some fake outs and getting some bears trapped around here and giving some like bad place for the market. I'm not pretty sure what's gonna happen here, but getting a good reaction from here is pretty bullish in my opinion. If you look to the bigger picture, like, it is higher high, higher low, higher high. Yes, we broke down this very important support level, but we are still on a uptrend. I don't believe we are going to test these 19-20Ks soon. These are pretty far for me. Yeah, this level is really good for me. I have my spot orders here around these levels with my paper money. I'm gonna buy some here, gonna try my strategy. Okay, from Discord you can see, like, on the 12th of May, I told my group, like, I long Bitcoin. I gave where I longed them, and you can see here it's like directly the bottom of the channel. Guys, like, what I can tell you is this is like a simple technique analysis. I didn't do anything. This is the most, like, this is the easiest channel that all traders must have in their analysis. You know, it doesn't matter if you're a scalper, day trader, or like an investor, it doesn't matter, but you must check this channel. So if you have checked this channel, look, I'm always using wicks, you know. So it's like directly exactly as predicted. It was an easy long, you know. I longed here, TP1 here, TP2 around these levels. I have my TPs around these levels too, so like it's an easy trade. What the place that I'm gonna stop my long will be like, yeah, by the way, in the low time frame we have some bearish retests. You can consider this. Like maybe I might stop my long. Yeah, if we start to lose this level, I guess I might stop my long, because I don't want to lose the profit. You know, it's like I don't want to fall in love with my entry. Yeah, it's great, but who knows, like if we started to lose 27, in my opinion, we might test this channel and it's gonna hit the weekly support zone, and it will be great if we like hang around these levels, or maybe first pump then here. Like, I'm talking about the timing, you know. It will be great if we go there a little bit later, because then the intersections will be more powerful. So I'm still expecting 24-25k to be retested again, but I don't know if it's gonna happen from here or from 29. I don't know, really, it's hard to predict right now. But what I can say is news are not that important. Like technical analysis is the most important thing in this part. And so here now we are on a bearish side of this channel in the low time frame, and we are making a bearish retest to this trend. So if like longing here is not the best idea, you know, you should have longed here. If you missed that, you can like pull a fib from this level to this level, okay, like a normal fib level, and you can see like if, and what I can give you as a strategy is, if something like making a retest to 382 fib, and if it is like claiming that fib, it means that it moves the direction, you know, like this is a bullish retest to 382 fib, so you can consider this move to go up. So you can try a long around here with stop loss around here, okay, with maybe last lower around here. But what I can say you is this is bullish. It's same for the bearish retest, guys. By the way, look at this fib. I want to show you something. This is from this high to this low, okay. I will turn this to my normal BB levels. So yeah, here it is the big Fibonacci's 382 acting as a resistance right now. So if we pump through there, I'm gonna take some profits here, you know, because I want to see breaking of this level and turning it into a support to see a bullish movement. If we are not breaking 382 fib, it means that we are still on a bearish side, we are still downtrending, you know. What I comment 382 is like this. So yeah. So guys, if like, this market structure is not the longing breakout market structure, in my opinion. We are not in a bull run. We are just trying to understand if the bear market ended or if we are starting a bull run. So breakout trades, like 5 of them, mostly 4 out of 5 of them mostly gonna stop out, you know. So waiting dips and tops is the best possible opportunity, and what I can give you as a recommendation is I mostly don't trade the mid channels, you know, bottom channels or top channels, but mid channels are mostly for taking profits, guys. Yeah, for the daily or maybe 3-day or weekly channels, yeah, you can enter trades from the mid channel, but for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, these like low time frame channels, I wouldn't take any new trades from the mid channel, okay. That's a rule. That's a rule of mine that I use because of probabilities, you know. As I see, like the trades that you take from the mid channel is most likely to shake out you, you know. And if you don't want to take risks, for example, I didn't trade this move, I didn't long anything on this move, and I didn't give my Discord any long here too. I waited, I shorted some here, but I took profits here, I took profits here. I didn't hold my shorts until here, but I waited with patience to see that reaction around this level, and I entered with limit. So what I want to say you is be patient, you know. Here it's not a good way to long. Yeah, if we started to break out, okay, and making bullish retest around these levels, okay, it's time to long. But since we are not breaking out the low time frame trends or low time frame channels, you know, you shouldn't be taking any risk here, in my opinion. Of course, these are not any financial advices. These are just my own positions and own technical analysis that I'm sharing on YouTube. So don't take them as a financial advice. I'm just managing my risk, you know. And what I'm trying to teach you is how to manage your risk. Okay, so for the Ethereum, what I can see is like the low time frame channel holds good. What I can say, but every time it tries it, it loses power. It should be something to consider. But wait, it's a bit complicated now. I have to do something about it. So, like Ethereum still same as Bitcoin, but Ethereum Bitcoin pair is pretty strong and it's making like a uptrend right now. So that's why Ethereum is more powerful. You can understand the powerful from like Bitcoin just tried the bottom of the channel, but Ethereum didn't try the bottom of channel. You know, I have some limit orders around this level, by the way, because this means that Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. But there's a possibility that, guys, what I have seen from some graphics that I can say, you look at this total chart, you know, like this is now on a down, like a uptrend, but in a more low time frame it's still downtrending, making lower low, lower high, lower low, now trying to make a lower high, and this big channel of total didn't hit the bottom yet. So Bitcoin hit the channel bottom, but total didn't hit the channel bottom. What does that mean? Like if total dropped that much, Bitcoin for example dropped 3%, when total drops that much, Bitcoin might drop 10%, 15%, you know. The scissor is increased right now, and total 2 is giving the same vibes to me. For example, total 2 tried the bottom of channel, give a little bit fake out, which is pretty bullish for me right now. But if this one, if the total graphic wants to touch that bottom of channel and the 618 fib, that means that total 2 needs to break down this channel, which will be like this dump, the new dump of that channel. When it breaks down, it will be harder than this or this. That's why I'm trying to tell you, look at this move. This is like 8%, this is like 9%, and some alts bleeded like 40%, 50% with these small moves. So what I'm trying to say is, if that total 2 breaks down that much, the alts will bleed so much, and we are gonna just make a triple bottom here. Look, this is not like a magic, guys. I can show you again. This is directly the height of the channel, which is coming here, and I'm ready for this scenario. I'm fucking ready for this scenario. So be ready for everything. Total 2 is on bullish side, total is on the bearish side, Bitcoin is on the take a good reaction from bullish side, but bearish side on low time frame and mid time frame channels. So as I said, wait dips or tops, don't get wrecked between these days. And I don't trade weekends so much, which I recommend highly. It will affect your trades in the weekdays, you know. Like if you had a bad weekend with trading, when you start trading on Monday or Tuesday, you are not gonna start better. You're just gonna start with some bad thinkings, like some scared, like maybe you lost so much money weekend and it's gonna affect your week. So be careful on the weekends, you know, don't get chopped. That's what I can say about markets. Let's check SP 500 a bit. Yeah, it's making a bull flag. Again, breaking out and pumping will be hard, but what I want is when SP 500 drops, Bitcoin pumps and gold pumps. I want to see this scenario for the bull run. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin needs to break here fast, this level. I want to see something like this for the bullish continuation. So yeah, don't get chopped up, guys. Thank you for listening, and if you didn't join the Discord, I will highly recommend you to join Discord. It's free and we're just sharing our analysis and trading ideas, that the paper trading ideas. So yeah, take care, ciao.